Hello, welcome to Technology Platform. So today we are going to see the date and time format, how to use date and time. Let me open idle cell now. So already we have seen that OS topics. Now we can see import date and time format, how we are going to use it. Let's see now. So normally in the command prompt you already used. So how to display the date and time, but here we have to use it import statement, and then you have to type a date time, and then you have to use print date time dot, just wait for some time, again date time dot, and then now. So like this you need to display the date and time. What is the date and time? Like this you need to display like this. It's something like quite, we need to do some process, and then we need to use it. Like now you want to use it, current date, you want to pull it. Now let's see, import date time, and then print date time dot date dot today. It should display like current date. What is the current date? Like that, it will display. There is no time, only date. Now you can also pass the values in the date, and then you can display here. Let's see now, import date time, print date time dot date, open bracket, now year, and today date is like 3rd August. I'll type it like 8 month, and then 3rd. Now let's see. Okay, so 0 we should not use it, because of that it is giving an error message. You can use it like without 0. 3 is also not allowed. Yeah, let's see now, close bracket. Now you can see this 2023 08 and 03. So like this you can also pass the value here. um and one more also you can do it here. Now we are using directly, right? So import date and time like that. Now I want to use it, I don't want to use like date time dot dot like that. I have to use it like date dot today, and then it should display. For example, I'll show you here, import date time, print, and then date dot today. I need to display, it should display, but here you will get an error message because there is no valid something like this, right? Now let me close it and open again, or what. Yeah, that's fine. So now how we have to achieve this, let's see now. I'll say like, I don't want to use from. Now from date time, import date, and then print. Now you can type it only date dot today. Let's see, you're able to achieve it. So you have to use it like this. So one more thing is also we can try, import date, and then you can type it, import date and from date time, whether it is working or not. Let's see. So here itself you are getting an error message. So this is not correct, right? So how you are going to use it, like from and then import. So that is the command prompt you have to use it. So like that you are getting the time. Now you want to use it, how we can say, like this is, we have seen it, and date time is also you have seen it. Now let's see, how to display the year, month, day separately like that. Let's see now. I'm going to use it again from date time import date, or else you can use it only import date time print date time date dot today. Anything you are able to see it here, year, something like that. Here you are not getting, right? Now let's see, like this you are not getting. Now what I'm going to do here is that instead of printing, I have to store it in a variable str today. Now datetime dot today, let's see, str today I printing, so it is displaying like this 2023 8 3, like that you are getting a message. Now see this. I want to display like str today dot year, like that I will check. I'm getting str today dot month 8, str today dot day. I'm getting like this. So how I'm going to write it, like in a one command, import date time str today date time date dot today, and then now you can say like str today dot year, str today dot month, str today dot day. Now you are able to see. So this kind of separate, you have to separate it year, month, like that you can say it. So this is enough because it's having more part 1 part 2 we have, so see one by one. Okay, thank you, bye.